So guys, for today's video guys, it will be quick only. I'll be just showing you guys the one that I ordered last time in China. These original Naruto cards, and I would like to showcase guys the quality of this card. And this is from Kayu set. Okay, so Naruto Kayu. So if you're familiar with it, it's very nice card guys, and the quality of this artwork is really insane. So I will just show you first Kakashi HR. So HR is a hyper rare, and this one is a holographic guys. You can see here the holographic. You can see here the Kakashi holographic artwork. Really nice. Wow, look at that. And I think he's doing Chidori here. Ooh, this one is my most favorite HR. And all of this will be sold in our Shopee shop. Naruto. This one Naruto guys. It's doing the Rasengan. Ooh, let's go. Rasengan. Yeah, so we're selling this for very cheap price guys. And if you're interested to buy, I think we will sell this for 5 ringgit each. Hyper rare, holographic hyper rare. Wow, look at that man. And this is the third one. Ooh, look at that. Itachi. This one is Itachi, the brother of Sasuke. Look at that, man. It's insane. And actually, it's not my favorite. This one is not holographic. This one is a OR or Omega Rare. This one is a very nice card because you can see guys the detail on each artwork, and of course you see the texture of each card is really insane. And this is original card guys, all original card. Probably will sell this for 5 ringgit each, like the Sasuke. This one Sasuke guys. And OR is more rare than UR and SSR. So OR is more rare than that. And you can see guys the texture on each card. You can really see. This one Sakura. Ooh, let's go. Very nice texture guys. The texture on this card guys, I would say that Kayu is really nice company in terms of card games. They are creating very nice artwork. This one Lee. Kasi what I only bought the main characters. Sakura, Lee, Sasuke, of course, the Orochimaru. One of the main enemy of Naruto. And of course Naruto guys. Ooh, look at that. Damn, the details on this card is really insane. So if you're interested guys to buy Naruto cards, you can comment on the description. You can comment on this video guys, and I can share you the link. So we have Shopee shop, Daily Dose of Magic. You can visit our Shopee shop. Of course, the wife of Naruto. Wow, let's go. Very nice artwork, man. And another Naruto, guys. Look at that, man. And this one is very clean. Okay, the seller of this is very nice as well. They give us freebies. And of course, Sasuke. So I only buy Naruto, Sasuke mainly because they are the main character on this anime. And I believe that these ORs will go sky high in the near future. By the way, this is coming from the set. What's the set name? Okay, NROR 24. Very nice. So that's all guys for today. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next one. Thank you so much. God bless.